The Windows Presentation Foundation, or short WPF, is a user interface framework that you can use to build Windows desktop applications with .NET and C#. WPF is part of .NET since 2006. This means that it is a very major framework. Actually, many enterprise applications are built with WPF. For example, Visual Studio itself is a WPF application. WPF is also open source. You find the source code on github.com/.net/WPF. For you as a software developer, it is important to know that WPF has several powerful features to develop desktop applications for Windows. First of all, there is the Extensible Application Markup Language, or short XAML. XAML is an XML-based language that is used in WPF to create user interfaces. Usually, you define a user interface in XAML and you implement the logic in C#. This leads to a clean separation between user interface and user interface logic, which makes it easier to maintain your application. WPF has also a powerful data binding engine that allows you to bind visual elements in your user interface to objects that contain the data for your user interface. Data binding is the feature that enables the so-called Model View ViewModel pattern, or short MVVM. This is a popular pattern for WPF applications that leads to a very clean separation between the user interface and the user interface logic. That separation allows you to create more maintainable and more testable applications. The next powerful feature of WPF is layout. You can use layout panels like Grid and Stack Panel to arrange the elements in your user interface. You can even nest these layout panels as deep as you want, and this allows you to implement really complex screen layouts. WPF has also the concept of styles and templates. Styles and templates allow you to create a custom but consistent look for the elements in your application, like for example for buttons and text boxes. You can find all these features and even more in the official documentation from Microsoft. I recommend you to browse through the official docs because WPF has even more features than these that you see here on this slide. But I think that the features that you see here on this slide are actually the features that you definitely need to know to be able to build and maintain WPF applications. After you have watched this course, you will know about all these features and you will know how to use them to work successfully on your own WPF projects. Let me show you now what you will learn in this course and how this course is structured.